right, we're still in the Chapter 4 test review. Math time. We're looking at problem number 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, which quotients, which answers are equal to 300? Mark all that apply. So you have to do each one of these problems. You have to do the division. It's kind of like number 8, but it's a bunch of number 8s. And then see which ones equal 100. So on this one, you're going to look at the 12. 4 goes into 12. My equal sign 3 times. I ignored 2 zeros, so I add 2 zeros to the back. Yep, 300. So I bubble in A. And I check the next one. 9 goes into 18. 2 times. I ignored 1 0. 20. Nope. Doesn't equal 300. Okay, 8 goes into 24. Let's see. 8, 16, 24. Yep, 3 times. I ignored 2 zeros. So, yep, C works in this problem because it equals 300. Okay, next one. Look at this one. 7 goes into 21. 3 times. Ignored 2 zeros. So I add 2 zeros to the back. Yep, that one equals 300 as well. Okay, let's look at this one. 3 can go into 9. 3, 6, 9, 3 times. I only ignored 1 0, so it's 30, not 300, so nope, doesn't work. 3 goes into 3. 3 can go into 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. I ignored 3 zeros. So it equals 1,000. Nope, that one doesn't work either. So you're just doing basic multiplication. It's basic division facts or fact families. Again, 3 times 8 is 24, or 24 divided by 8 is 3, or 24 divided by 3 would be 8. It's just a fact family. Okay, number 10, Margot estimated 188 divided by 5 to be between 30 and 40. Which basic facts did she use to help her estimate? Mark all that apply. Well, there's only 2 numbers here, so there's only going to be 2 of these problems that we're going to use. You can't possibly have 3 or 4 because she estimated it to be between this number and this number. So we need to find the basic facts down here that will give us 30 and 40, or in this case, 3 and 4. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and if I add my 1 0, that would be 30. So she used this basic fact to get the 30. And then this equals 5. I don't see any 5s up here. This equals 2. I don't see any 2s up here. 20 divided by 5, that is 4. I see a 4. Add my 1 0, 40. So she used these 2 basic facts. 15 divided by 3 was, divided by 5 was 3, which in this case she estimated 188 to be 150. And then she just looked at it as, well, that's really just 3 divided by 15. And then I add my 1 0 to get 30. And then here she estimated 188 to be 200 divided by 3. Or 5, still on the last problem, 5. Oh, and I did it here too, 5. It's supposed to be 5 here. Mr. Music. Okay, divided by 5, and that's 5 into 20, which is 4 times. And then add the 1 0, 30. That's how she got her answer is going to be between 30 and 40, using 15 divided by 5, the first 2 numbers of 150, and 20 divided by 5, or the first 2 numbers of 200. All right, Matthias and his brother divided 2,029 marbles equally. So I'm estimating how many marbles did each receive. Well, since I'm dividing by 2, I want to estimate this first number, 2029, into something that's going to be really easy to divide by 2, which is going to be 2000. Is 2000 close to 2029? Yes, it's very close. 2 goes into the 2 one time, just 2 divided by 2, and then I ignored 3 zeros. So about how many marbles did each of them receive? About 1,000 each. All right, number 12. Choose yes or no to show how to use a distributive property to break apart the dividend to find the quotient for 132 divided by 6. Well, we can break up 132 however we want. However, you want to make sure that 6 will go into both of the numbers that you break up the 132 into evenly. So I'm going to look at these numbers and decide, okay, will 6 go into them evenly? Now, I like to look at this side, and the only reason why is because it gives me a smaller number. It's going to be hard for me to check if 6 goes into 115 evenly. But it's going to be really simple for me to check if 6 goes into 17 evenly. So let's count by 6s and see if we land on 17. We got 6, 12, 18. Nope, we're not going to land on 17. So I'm going to say no, this one is not going to help me. There's no reason to break it up that way. Okay, next I'm going to look again here. The only reason I don't look here, I could look here if I wanted to, but it's going to take me a lot longer to decide if 6 goes into 100 evenly, but it won't take me that much longer to find out if 6 goes into 32 evenly, because I can just continue where I left off. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Nope, I don't land on 32 either, so nope, this is not going to help me. Now again, tomorrow's numbers are on the test, the numbers are going to be slightly different, but you use the same strategy. You look, is this going to help you? Can the number, whatever it is, go into this small number evenly? If it doesn't, mark no, because that's not helpful. All right, let's look at this one. 6 into 42. Again, I could look at this side. The only reason I'm looking at this side is because 42 is smaller, so it's going to be easier for me. And in fact, I can pick up right where I left off. I'm almost there already. 36, if I add 6 more, I'm at 42. And so yes, that checks off. That's going to help me because 6 can go into 42 evenly. Okay, next one, 6 into 60. Well, that's pretty obvious. 6 goes into 6 one time, 1 remainder, or excuse me, add 1 0 that you ignored, so that'd be 10. 10 times 6 is 60, so yeah, that will go in evenly, and this helps me. Okay. All right. Again, this is the strategy you use tomorrow. It's going to be, or on the test day. You're going to use different numbers, but the same strategy. If it doesn't go in evenly, it's not going to help you to solve that problem. Okay. All right. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.